How to fix the camera roll not loading in Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to get your gallery showing up properly when trying to send photos in your gallery. First, open Messenger. After that, long press the Messenger icon and tap App Info. From there, tap on Permissions and find Photos and Videos from the list. Make sure it's set to Allow, so Messenger has full access to your gallery. Right here, go back to App Info and tap on Battery. Then make sure it's set to Unrestricted, so Messenger isn't being limited from loading your media in the background. Next up, go back to App Info and tap on Storage. Then go ahead and tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be preventing your gallery from loading. Moving on, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop. Then tap OK to confirm. This shuts the app down completely, so it starts fresh. From here, open the Play Store. After that, search for Messenger and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap it and wait for it to finish installing. Following this, once everything is done, go back and open Messenger. Head into any chat and tap the camera roll icon to attach a photo. Finally, your gallery should now load properly, and you'll be able to browse and send your photos without any issues. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.